This is the table, walnut table that we've been working on for a few days now. It's big, it's walnut, it's really, really heavy, and we glued it up and we did it really carefully, and it still ended up all sorts of wonky. So to get it flat, I had originally scheduled a date with a guy who has a CNC machine, and we were going to get him to just plane it all nice and down. That didn't work out. Also, belt sanding didn't work out. I'm not that good at belt sanding. So I ended up making a track to run the router on. This was a lot of different flavors. This was our third attempt before we finally got it. If I had thought about it ahead of time, I would have built in for a true track saw or true track assembly to do this setup. But to quickly show our setup here that we came up with is we've got the standard plywood sides, and then we used an aluminum tape on top so it slides. And then for the carriage itself, we used pieces of steel that we screwed into the sides to keep the carriage from flexing with the router in the middle, because we were getting some deflection there. The other thing we did, which I would not do again, but we have a sheet of MDF under because it's level. I would maybe do MDF with a piece of 3/4 ply. It would bring it up a little bit more, and I think it would give it that actual structural stability so it wouldn't move around, so it wouldn't flex. Because right now, as you can see on the sides here, we've got all sorts of braces and supports, and we got our big 7-foot level to make sure that everything's actually square and actually true. So, in conclusion, 3/4 plywood for the sides, 3/4 plywood for your assembly. Go on the Amazons, get a big flattening pattern, and good luck.